Hi, my name is Jim Aguilar, licensed marriage and family therapist in the state of California and Texas, and today I'm just trying to do a spring check-in. So, what do I mean by a spring check-in? I mean, pretty much, spring is a new season, a new start. Not kind of like New Year's, but sort of, where we start coming up with new goals, new things that we may want to accomplish. So, that's where I wanted to do this spring check-in, because sometimes we might need the help of a therapist and we might not even know. So I'm not saying that this is going to help diagnose you to go see a therapist. I'm just saying if you feel like you need to, go for it. But that's just my opinion. I'm not saying that that's what you should do, just my opinion. But anywho, this is what I'm saying. So spring check-in. It's a new year, new season. And so we try to create new goals, new career goals, new goals for our family, new goals for fitness, all that. I know for me, it's like I'm trying to do new goals in regards to just growing something in the garden that's actually going to grow into something and I can actually eat it, because usually it just grows and then it dies. So that's my goal. So when we start creating these goals, that's where I would say it's just, what's a goal for yourself? But this is the thing. Sometimes we can overwhelm ourselves. We're thinking too much about it. And then what happens? We might feel guilty. We start feeling these negative emotions. And that's where I say, let's go talk to a therapist about it. Because this is what could happen. We get too focused on these negative emotions. We start feeling anxious. We start feeling low. We start feeling guilty and all that stuff. And maybe things are okay. Maybe things are great. But it's just our perspective. It's just a perspective that says, hey, things are not okay. But maybe they are. Maybe they are. But this is why I always say, talk to a therapist about it. So you get someone else, a professional, that can go and say, you know what? Yeah, no, you're good. You're fine. Yeah, no, definitely. Where's this perspective coming from? When did you start feeling it? And being able to talk more about it. So that's where I want to say, just a little quick check-in, that if you feel you need to talk to a therapist, yes, you can talk to me in California and Texas. But if you are in other states or you want to talk to someone else, that's fine. But just being able to get that help. So I'm just trying to bring some self-awareness, some education in regards to mental health, to try to take away that stigma from it. Again, thank you so much for your time. Have a great rest of your day if you made it this far to the video. And please don't self-diagnose. Cannot stress that enough. Don't self-diagnose. Always talk to a professional beforehand. So thank you so much. Have a good one.